Part 6, A New Approach. Mrs. Thompson decided to take a different approach for their next few lessons. She noticed that Emily was becoming too focused on perfection, which was causing her anxiety. "Let's make this more fun," Mrs. Thompson suggested. She introduced Emily to some playful exercises, like speaking while holding a pen between her teeth to help with enunciation, or singing English songs to practice rhythm and intonation. Emily loved music, and the singing exercises became her favorite. She would sing her favorite songs at home, practicing the lyrics over and over until she could pronounce every word perfectly. Her parents were delighted to hear her singing throughout the house, her confidence and joy growing with each note. Mrs. Thompson also incorporated role-playing into their lessons. They would pretend to be characters from Emily's favorite books or movies, speaking in different accents and tones. This not only helped Emily with pronunciation, but also made her more comfortable speaking in front of others. Part 7, Gaining Confidence. Emily's confidence continued to grow, and soon she was volunteering to read in front of the class. She even joined the school's drama club, something she would have never considered before. The drama club was preparing for a play, and Emily auditioned for a speaking role. To her surprise, she was cast as one of the lead characters. During rehearsals, Emily applied everything she had learned from Mrs. Thompson. She practiced her lines meticulously, focusing on her pronunciation and intonation. Her fellow cast members noticed her improvement and praised her efforts. "Wow, Emily, your English has gotten so much better," her friend Mia exclaimed one day after rehearsal. "Thanks," Emily replied, beaming. "I've been working really hard with Mrs. Thompson." As the day of the play approached, Emily felt a mix of excitement and nerves. This would be her first time speaking in front of such a large audience, and she wanted to do her best. She practiced every day, sometimes even staying late after school to rehearse with her drama teacher. Part 8, The Big Day. Finally, the day of the play arrived. The auditorium was packed with students, parents, and teachers, all eager to see the performance. Emily stood backstage, her heart pounding in her chest like a drum. She peeked through the thick velvet curtain and saw the sea of faces filling the auditorium. Her parents sat in the front row, beaming with pride. Mrs. Thompson was there too, giving her a reassuring nod. Emily felt a mix of excitement and fear swirling inside her. She took a deep breath, recalling all the hours she had spent practicing, all the tongue twisters, role-playing exercises, and songs she had sung in front of the mirror. She remembered Mrs. Thompson's encouraging words. "Mistakes are just stepping stones to success." She could do this. She had to believe in herself.